Government Botanical Garden is a botanical garden in Udhagamandalam, near Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu state, India, laid out in 1848. The garden is divided into several sections covering an area of 22 hectares and lie on the lower slopes of Dada Betta Peak. The garden is maintained by the Horticultural Department of Tamil Nadu. It's a must-visit place for nature lovers. It's a big place with a variety of plants and flowers. Tea has attractions like a glass house, fern house, an Italian and Japanese garden. The garden was planned in the 1840s by the Marquis of Tweedale. The initial purpose of the garden was to provide European citizens with a constant supply of vegetables. To enjoy the scenic view and to create memorable moments, do visit this park.